The Dino journey starts here, in the capable hands of expert welders, with plenty of help from high-tech welding tools and robots. We source steel locally in Finland, and we use thin, ultra-high-strength steel for different components alongside normal high-grade steel. Plus, leftover steel is recycled and used again to build new Dinos. Local sourcing of raw material and a commitment to sustainability ensure faster lead times, more flexible manufacturing, and maximum sustainability. Each component is cut with extreme precision, then laser beam welded to achieve the perfect welding seam. The welder inspects the components manually, and the steel scrap is recycled. The chassis is the backbone of every Dino. It's built using parts welded manually in our in-house workshop. Our welders know their Dinos inside out, and they take great pride in their work. Welding the perfect seam requires a lifetime of experience and a steady hand. Each component is manually inspected before the next phase. This ensures possible defects can be fixed on the spot without delay or risk to the finished product. Welding the lift cylinder is the perfect combination of craftsmanship and automation. We are unique in that we manufacture our own cylinders instead of using third-party cylinders. Welding robots guarantee repeatability, precision, and accuracy, while the welder makes sure everything fits together perfectly. CNC robot arms lend a helping hand with repetitive assembly work. The cylinder also goes through robotic carving and grinding, ensuring optimum precision and accuracy. This stage brings everything together. The cylinder is now ready for part assembly and is 100% up to the job. CNC machining is the secret to creating a perfect fit between components. The operator machines each component to exact specs, and waste material is recycled. To get the best results, the operator and the CNC machine need to work like a team. All Dino components can be machined in-house, even booms that measure more than 5.5 meters. We can also machine most components with no stoppage in the machining process. This improves production efficiency and quality control.